It's UK Construction Week here at the NEC in Birmingham, and I'm joined by Craig now from Permavent to talk about actually some of their other companies that are involved and actually some of their new technology. So Craig, thanks so much for joining us.
You're welcome. Yeah, nice to see you again.
So let's start off then by, we're not really here to talk about Permavent, we're here to talk about, Safe Shield and one of your other exciting companies too.
Yeah, I think in the main we're here to talk about fire and fire regulations and fire safety, which is still paramount in the UK with all the recladding work that has to be continued. I'm speaking later on this week, Thursday I think. I'm speaking again about fire and presenting all about fire and making buildings safer. But yeah, other exciting news for Permavent is obviously the range of Envirotech products as well, our new walling membrane range that we've just brought out and launched at UK Construction Week.
Well, that's exciting. So let's talk a little bit more about that. So can you tell us more about that, the products then?
Yeah, so Envirotech for us is a range of products, walling products that will make buildings more thermally efficient and more airtightness as well. So obviously with energy crisis, etc., that is on the go at the minute, mega important that we build better and build tighter as we go forward as well. So the Envirotech range of products will certainly assist that and allow the specifier and the construction companies an easier choice and an easier solution to be able to do that for sure.
That's fantastic. And you're so right. I mean, the cost of living crisis, the energy crisis, the list is going on. And these are problems which people really do need to find solutions for. Are you finding that it's going down well with your customers when you speak to them about it?
It's been very well received for us. Both the ranges of Permavent, we've been established now 17 years, so we're recognised as a very innovative business and a very innovative company, and are always, at the front edge of leading technology and bringing new products to the market as well. So it's again well received at UK Construction Week for us. Yeah.
Fantastic. And now sustainability is a word that we are hearing time and time again. It was the same in London in May, now here in Birmingham, and it has been a bit of a theme. Obviously very important alongside everything else that you're talking about. Why do you think that your products are sort of the ones that we need to go to when it comes to sort of helping with that sustainability within construction?
I think, yeah, it's a good question, and it's the pressure on manufacturing these days is to try and make the product more sustainable from sustainable sources and continually be able to find that product. Post-COVID, things like aluminium have been in short supply, and being able to continue to get that supply of material is really important. But we're looking at ways to try and reduce packaging within the product, make the product more sustainable, make it easier in terms of fixing instructions, all that paper and wastage as well. So, and trying to push more and more of our marketing material online as well. So from a sustainability point of view, we're very sustainable and have a one eye on the future, I guess, of where we go forward.
Yeah, it's amazing. I think you're right. It's that one eye on the future. So it's not just about actually the product you're making, it's the 360-degree look at the business. And it's so exciting to hear some of the work that you're doing.
Yeah, it is, and it's a real pressure on business, to try and always constantly push itself to the next level and always try and come up with the next best solution. But waste and packaging and recycling is a massive part of our business. We've moved all our sales representatives now onto an electric fleet, for instance, and we're doing everything we can to make sure, that we look after the environment.
Amazing. And you mentioned that you're talking tomorrow, Thursday. So day 3 here at UK Construction Week. You can hear Craig talk. Can you tell us a little bit about what you're going to be speaking on?
We're talking the main focus again for us. Okay, we have launched Envirotech, but the main focus is still going to be fire and fire safety, because there's a real lack of knowledge still within the industry, and we've got a lot of work to do over the next few years in promoting and continually offering solutions to fire. So yes, a big focus for us is the fire safety within cavities, within the structure of the building. So that's the main focus of our CPD seminar, which has been extremely well received this year. So yeah, I'm excited again to talk on Thursday.
Yeah, absolutely. And I can only imagine, not only for the future and new constructions, but actually those old ones as well, looking for solutions to how to make those, meet new regulations that are coming into.
There's a real lack of knowledge about how to deal with fire, and there's a bit of a dark art there, I think, being created within fire, but it's very simple, you know, and Permavent certainly have all the solutions to that, as you would imagine, you know, and you know we sit down with a lot of specifiers, we sit down with a lot of building owners to understand exactly where they've, you know, made the issues or created the issues in the past, and are making buildings safer going forward.
Amazing, and I mean, what could be more important than that? Craig, listen, thank you so much. It's been an absolute pleasure talking to you, and I look forward to hearing you talk on day 3.
Excellent, thank you. Yeah, thank you.